Here are some pro tips about what to look for when you are choosing garments to eco-print. And this is a follow-on video from my information about my favorite fabric to print and also where to find the garments. So if you've not seen those videos before, check out my YouTube playlist. So items that say dry clean only are almost always the best to print in the dirty pot. So these would include merino, cashmere, silk. Those fabrics are frequently marked as dry clean only. But honestly, I have had very, very few fails in the whole time I have been eco printing. So definitely be on the lookout for them. I really enjoy finding old silk shirts and little t-shirts that have shoulder pads, vintage tops that are old and dated looking, but they look marvelous when the shoulder pads are removed and they are eco-printed. So don't be nervous about buying items that are dated, providing the fabric is good quality and they don't have any, underarm stains on them. And another thing not to be afraid of is not to be afraid of trying colors that are not just cream, white, or beige. Go for paler colors or strengths of colors such as baby blue, pink, light green. All of those colors will take the eco prints very well, providing you understand which vegetation gives strong colors. And one other thing, not a garment, but I would definitely say be on the lookout for old woolen blankets. These are marvelous to print as a whole piece and use as a throw or on a bed, or they are beautiful for cutting up and making new pieces such as a coat or a winter jacket. And you can also think of making cushions, or maybe you call them pillows, from large squares or rectangles of old woolen blankets.